front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, hit Change Setting in this pop-up. Make sure this switcher next to Show Unlocked is green, because without this option enabled, your emergency contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. When you're done, go back and add your contacts by hitting Add Contact and clicking on the one you want to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wanna change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold the chosen one and drag it to the proper place. When your list is established, save your changes by hitting Save at the top right corner. If you wanna remove any contact from this list, not from your phone, just click on this X next to the one you wanna get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I need to swipe up and hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then click on Personal Emergency Information and see my emergency contacts over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!